Hi, this is Arun here, and today I will show you how to fix developer mode in iPhone. And first go to the settings, scroll down, click on privacy and security. You can see here there is no developer option here. If you are not able to see in your mobile, then you have to connect your phone with the USB. You can see now I will connect my phone with USB. Just wait for a moment. Let me check now if it is enabled. Yes, now you can see this developer option is enabled now here. You can click on it and restart. If still you are not able to see developer mode, then you need to check in your mobile that iOS version should be 16. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.